Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the Morgan Silver $1 coin 1892 from the United States of America. This coin is one of the most famous silver coins ever produced, and it features the beautiful design of Lady Liberty along with a strong eagle on the reverse. Collectors around the world search for Morgan silver dollars because they can be worth big money, especially coins from important years like 1892. While many coins were produced, only a smaller number remain today in very high-grade condition with bright surfaces, strong design details, and beautiful mint luster. In this video we will explore its history, its design, and the reasons why collectors value this coin so highly. Stay with us because this Morgan silver dollar might already be in your collection, and it could be worth far more than its face value. Let's get started. The Morgan silver dollar 1892 without mint mark in uncirculated condition is one of the most fascinating coins in the history of United States coin collecting, and it represents a powerful era of American silver coinage where craftsmanship and precious metal value combine to create a timeless treasure that collectors across the world continue to admire and search for. And this specific coin from 1892 holds a special place because it belongs to the early years of the Morgan dollar series, which began in 1878 and was designed by George T. Morgan, whose artistic vision gave life to Lady Liberty on the obverse and a majestic eagle on the reverse, making this coin not just money but a symbol of American identity and pride. And when we talk about an uncirculated example, we are talking about a coin that has never been used in everyday transactions and still retains its original mint luster, which significantly increases its desirability and value among collectors and investors. The 1892 Morgan silver dollar without a mint mark was struck at the Philadelphia Mint, which is known for producing coins without mint marks during that era, and this detail is extremely important because it helps collectors identify the origin of the coin and distinguish it from other 1892 Morgan dollars that were minted in places like New Orleans or San Francisco. And Philadelphia minted coins are often highly sought after, especially in higher grades, because they tend to have sharper strikes and better overall detail. And when a coin survives in uncirculated condition, it means it avoided wear and tear over more than a century, which is quite rare, and this rarity plays a huge role in determining the market value of the coin. Now, when discussing the value of the 1892 Morgan silver dollar in uncirculated condition, we must consider grading standards established by professional grading companies such as Professional Coin Grading Service and Numismatic Guarantee Company, because these organizations assign grades based on the condition and quality of the coin, and grades like MS60, MS63, MS65 and higher indicate increasing levels of preservation and beauty. And for a coin like the 1892 Morgan dollar, even a small difference in grade can mean a large difference in price, with lower uncirculated grades starting in the hundreds of dollars and higher gem quality examples reaching into the thousands, which makes this coin a serious investment piece for collectors. The design of the Morgan silver dollar is another key factor that adds to its appeal and value, because the obverse features a profile of Lady Liberty wearing a Phrygian cap adorned with cotton and wheat, which symbolize American agriculture, while the reverse showcases a powerful bald eagle holding arrows and an olive branch representing strength and peace. And the level of detail in these designs becomes even more impressive when viewed on an uncirculated coin, where every line and texture remains crisp and untouched, and the original mint luster creates a shining effect that moves across the surface of the coin when it is tilted under light, giving it a dynamic and eye-catching appearance that collectors highly prize. Another important aspect of the 1892 Morgan silver dollar is its silver content, because each coin is composed of 90% silver and 10% copper and contains approximately 3/4 of an ounce of pure silver, which means that in addition to its numismatic value, it also intrinsic value based on the current market price of silver. And this dual nature as both a collectible and a precious metal asset makes the coin attractive to a wide range of buyers, including collectors, investors, and even those who are simply interested in owning a piece of history. And as silver prices fluctuate, the base value of the coin can also change, adding another layer of interest and potential profit. Rarity plays a major role in determining the worth of any coin, and while the 1892 Morgan dollar had a relatively high mintage compared to some other years, many of these coins were circulated heavily or melted down over time, which means that surviving examples in uncirculated condition are much scarcer than the original production numbers might suggest, and this scarcity becomes even more pronounced in higher grades, where only a limited number of coins have been preserved in near perfect condition, and collectors are often willing to pay a premium to secure such pieces, especially when they come with certification from reputable grading services that guarantee their authenticity and grade. The market demand for Morgan silver dollars has remained strong for decades and continues to grow as new collectors enter the hobby and discover the beauty and history of these coins, and the 1892 issue is particularly appealing because it represents a classic period of American coinage and offers a balance between availability and rarity, making it accessible enough for collectors to pursue while still being valuable enough to serve as a meaningful investment and auction results and dealer. Listings often show steady prices for uncirculated examples with occasional spikes when high-quality specimens appear on the market, indicating a healthy and active collector base. When it comes to investing in coins like the 1892 Morgan silver dollar, it is important to consider factors such as authenticity, condition, eye appeal, and market trends, because these elements all contribute to the overall value and potential return on investment, and buying coins that are professionally graded and encapsulated can provide peace of mind and protect the coin from damage while also making it easier to sell in the future, and many experienced collectors recommend focusing on quality over quantity, meaning it is better to own one high-grade coin than several lower-grade examples because premium coins tend to appreciate more over time. Storage and preservation are also critical for maintaining the value of an uncirculated coin because exposure to air, moisture, and handling can cause toning or damage that may reduce its grade and value, and collectors often use protective holders or coin albums designed specifically for long-term storage, and keeping coins in a stable environment away from extreme temperatures and humidity can help preserve their original condition and luster for years to come, ensuring that they remain attractive and valuable assets in any collection. In conclusion, the 1892 Morgan silver dollar without mint mark in uncirculated condition is a remarkable coin that combines historical significance, artistic beauty, and tangible value, making it a standout piece in the world of numismatics. And whether you are a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this coin offers an exciting opportunity to own a piece of American history that has stood the test of time and continues to capture the imagination of people around the world, and its value is influenced by a variety of factors, including condition, rarity, silver content, and market demand, all of which come together to create a coin that is not only worth money but also worth appreciating as a symbol of craftsmanship and heritage. Thanks for watching.